Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Trello for workflow efficiency step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Trello account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, create a new board by selecting the Create New Board option. Name your board based on the project or workflow you want to manage. Next, set the background color or image to personalize your board if desired. Now, let's create lists to represent different stages of your workflow. Common list titles include To Do, In Progress, and Completed. Click on Add a List and enter your first list title, then press Enter. Repeat this process until you have all the lists you need for your workflow. Next, let's start adding cards to your lists. Click on Add a Card beneath the appropriate list. Enter a title for your card that describes the task or item. You can also add a description for more details by clicking on the card after creating it. For each card, you can set due dates to keep yourself on schedule. Click on the card, then find the due date option and select your desired deadline. Next, let's assign team members to your cards for accountability. Inside the card, click on Members and select the team members who will be responsible for the task. Another useful feature is adding checklists to track specific subtasks within a card. Click on Checklist inside the card and create a list of items to be completed. You can also attach files or links relevant to the task within the card. To keep things organized, use labels to categorize your cards. Click on Labels and create color-coded categories that suit your workflow. Now, let's automate some of your processes with Trello's Power UPS. Click on Show menu in the right sidebar, then select Power UPS. Search for useful features such as calendar integration or time tracking. Enable the Power UPS that align with your workflow needs. Once you've set up your cards and lists, consider establishing a routine for reviewing your board. Schedule regular check-ins to update the status of tasks and move cards between lists. Encourage team collaboration by using the comment feature on cards for discussions. Lastly, customize your board settings by clicking on Show menu and selecting More. Adjust privacy settings, member permissions, and notifications accordingly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.